Sushmitha. I have completed my engineering in Vrindavan College of Engineering in 2023 in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering. After my engineering, I have joined to Jspiders as an incubation student in month of June. And when I have joined to the Jspiders, I doesn't have any knowledge in technically. And later I have joined to Jspiders. I have great knowledge in technical and where teachers are very helpful in learning the subjects and they teach in very proficient manner. And the mocks are very important here, where clearing the mocks and adding for the requirements. Where HRs will add for requirements where they are very supportive to place in the companies. And for interviews, the groomings are very important, which will help to crack the interviews. And for me, the Java is taught by the Rahul sir and the Akshay sir, and SQL is taught by the Navya ma'am, and web technology taught by Salman sir. And I used to say everyone that if you want to job in technical side, come join to the Jspiders, which will help you to most to get a job.